Okay, so today is the 22nd of July, 2026, and these are my trading notes in the pre-market and a trade I took. This is basically an A plus setup, and if you just see the trend line that was broken right here, that's one of the first indicators. It came down, touched it, went back up, but then this is a 5-minute chart. It was looking very bearish. All my confluences were coming together at this point. If you look here, the red line is the 50% line on the RSI. And this is the DMI, which I want red above green. Red above blue if I'm going short. And the CDV getting the red candles set up because it's showing that things are selling off. And let's look at the 15-minute real quick. And the same thing, it's going to show the same pattern, but it was it's just stronger when the higher time frame shows the same thing. So that candle was the big push down, and I just waited and I get in below that low of that candle. Let me look at this. So we got to break a structure right here, and this is automatically set in. I can't remember. Okay, it's fluid trades in SMC light. That's what shows all these different places of interest. Break of structure, break of structure. It's all automatically put in there. So these are my trading notes, but if you're watching this, feel free to do or study or whatever what I'm doing. And today was a great profitable trade. This is the E-mini ES that I set them up side by side. This is the 5-minute on each one. And when they're both going in conjunction or working together, it's usually a pretty good trade. So let's get over here to the actual trade I made and what I was thinking. So this is that low it made, and it started having that little pullback. So I got short right here. These red triangles are actual orders I put in and got filled. And so I put in a stop order below that low, got filled here. And I put in another stop. I figured, okay, if it's going to go on down, I'll go in and add some more contracts. So I added I added a total, I think 5 more, and I had a total of 10 micros. And then when it broke down again, it had a little pullback. It broke down again. I had 3 more. So I was totally short 13 micros. And then my stop area was going to be above this high right here. All of the moving averages are pointing down. This is the CDV or CVD, I guess. No, CDV, whatever, for the trade of 8. And what I was looking at, I figured the target would be down in here at this low, because that's where probably all the liquidity is. That people before had been buying at this area. So I got out before that. I didn't hang on. I figured, okay, let me just look and see where I got out the low. So I started peeling off my profit in this area at 89. And then I think the lowest one I got out at is 78. So it went down to as low as 47. I figured if I'd gotten out in around 70, it'd been okay, but I figured that was a safe spot to get out at, because the low here is 60. But right now, if you notice, it is trading back up above where I got out. So that's why I say I'm glad that was an A plus setup for me. And I'm in this contract. Oh, well, let's see. Wait a minute. This one I made $705. So that's pretty good. Well, the actual 692, whatever, with no losses. So this is evaluation account with Lucid, and excuse me. So I've just got about $300 more to do, or $220 to get this one funded. 50K account. So I'm going to post this, like I said, so I can go back and check it instead of writing in a book and figuring out what I was thinking at the time. I just make these videos and go back and watch them. So, and it reinforces it in my mind. It reinforces what I did right, and I like to watch that. So I won't, won't hesitate on a trade in the future, and just go from there. I think it builds me up psychologically. So anyway, I hope you had a good trading day, and I'll see you in the next video.